When we are driving, motorcycles can be hard to see. When we are distracted, accidents happen. This driver does not see the motorcycle because her eyes are on the phone and not on the road. Be aware that motorcycle riders are more vulnerable than other drivers, and texting while driving is illegal and dangerous.
If you need more information about motorcycle safety, please contact the Motorcycle Safety Foundation.
This message is brought to you by the City of Rancho Palos Verdes and the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department.